Welcome back, it's me Kiana if you're new. Today it is Monday morning and I want to show you guys some of the productive and like mindful habits that I practice every morning on the good days, because I'm not always waking up super early, but there are days where I want to have a mindful start to my day because I feel like it just aids in my productivity throughout that day, and I just feel a lot better having time in the morning to prep for my day and like eat slowly, not rush things, get some sun on my face before I'm like glued to my laptop all day. I just brushed my teeth. I'm just drinking some coffee now, and this is literally one of my little joys of every morning. It's like the best part of my routine. It's so yummy, so savory. Hot coffee is the way to go in the morning, especially when you wake up a little earlier. If you are new to my channel, I am a marketing coordinator for a plant nursery and a plant shop. The plant shop is indoor plants, whereas the nursery is like perennials, annuals, cactus, like succulents type of stuff. Honestly, this job has transformed my life for the better. I think it's such a cool industry to work in, and it's very wholesome. It's all about self-care. But let's go to the bathroom. I'm going to get ready. First up, we have my mini skincare routine in the morning. I do not do that much in the morning because I wash my face at night. Something I noticed is because I shower at night typically, I just don't have like that refreshing wake up in the morning, so I like to wash my face with this lighter cleanser that I have. Something that's really helped me stay organized with the products that I know I want to use and like forces me to use them because I actually see them out is putting stuff on a tray like this. I got this from the Container Store and it's been my favorite thing ever. Honestly, there's like a lot of shit on here. This product right here is what I've been loving to use in the morning to wake myself up. It is the Youth to the People Green Tea Spinach and Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. So I'm gonna wash my face with this, and then I'm using my favorite moisturizer. This smells so good and refreshing. How good this stuff lathers. It's so satisfying. So like my skincare routine for a long time literally has been like so minimal because I mean, if I don't really have problems, I feel like there's no point in adding all these different products. But I have been becoming more educated on retinol and just like some other serums and stuff, like the benefits of vitamin C. Time to make some breakfast. So I'm making avocado toast with a runny yolk. Heating up the pan, I put a little bit of that Trader Joe's avocado oil on top. I'm gonna cook this egg right here. If you've been on my channel before, you know that this is one of my staple go-to breakfasts. It's so good, so savory. I'm just a savory person in the morning. I just can't really eat sweets that often. Sometimes I'll have protein oats, but this is what I'm craving today. Also, I've been obsessed with using my new Caraway pans. This whole set has changed my life. Like, it makes cooking so much more fun. It's like a lot easier because they're non-stick and they're non-toxic. I know I'm not supposed to use a metal spatula on here, but all the other ones are dirty, so I think I'm just gonna take that risk. If you haven't tried the onion chive cream cheese, you should. The next part of my morning routine is a little bit of makeup, and this really depends on if I'm gonna be going in person anywhere. I'll typically go to the nursery. We have like 2 facilities, and then we have a plant shop. I've been loving having my marketing meetings at the plant shop because it's just such a nice environment. It's like a really pretty, very open, white plant shop. I do want to do a marketing day in my life, so hopefully I will be able to show you guys some of that. But yeah, so if I have an in-person meeting, then I will be putting on a little bit of makeup. I'm gonna go to the facility today, so I'm just gonna put on some face product. This is my my Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Hydrating Gel Cream. It's basically a tinted moisturizer. This has SPF 30. Putting on makeup is another good habit of mine because I feel like it just makes me feel more put together. Something I never really did that often was wear SPF every single day. I like having a face product that already has SPF in it. This product is so buttery and it blends so nicely. And I really like the amount of coverage that it gives. I prefer like something that evens out my complexion rather than something heavy. Put on my face product with my hands because I'm barbaric like that, but I blend it out just a little bit with this brush. And now we got some even and dewy skin. Then I'm using my Tarte Sea Breezy Cream Bronzer. And then a little bit of mascara. A little bit of concealer. That is the finished everyday light makeup that I'll do for days where I don't want to do the full face. It's just a little bit. The last thing that I do before I get started with my work is I'll make a little to-do list on my notebook, so like a physical list. I have Notion and I use Google Calendar for work, but I like to write down like a mix of my personal and my work stuff on paper because it's nice to have this next to my laptop rather than being distracted with my phone. This just helps keep me accountable. I just started to use Notion a little differently. I have this 2022 dashboard where it has my yearly planning, my weekly agenda, finances, and all that stuff. I'm really excited to keep building that out because I just started. My Notion was pretty unorganized, but now I have everything like linked in one page, so you could just like click on little things and it'll take you to that page. So I'm excited that I'm learning more about how to use Notion the right way. Some stuff I need to do today for work, at least, like I need to go to the nursery and take some video content for our Instagram account. That's like one of my favorite parts of the job. I have full reign over the social media account and it's really fun like photographing plants because I'm a big photography person. I've always loved it. And I have another reel that I made on Friday that I have to edit and then post that today. And then some other things. Typically, if I'm gonna have a meeting in the morning or if I have somewhere to go in the morning, then I will be putting on an outfit. But I'm just gonna stay in my loungewear PJ attire because I'm gonna be working from home for the first parts of the day. By the way, this is my favorite set ever. I got it from Parade. It's so lightweight, so breathable, so comfortable. And then I got the matching biker shorts. I'm like always wearing Parade. I even have like the peachy bralette under here. I just really appreciate how they're using very sustainable, eco-friendly materials like lyocell and Tencel modal. I always say modal, but I'm pretty sure it's not modal. Yeah, huge Parade fan, and I do have a code for that as well if you wanted to get a 20% off discount. It's my name, Kiana Skirla. But yeah, that is my entire morning routine. I need to clock in soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my slow and easy morning routine that has a few productive habits here and there. I'm feeling pretty good, feeling ready for the day. But let me know if you guys would want to see a marketing day in my life because I would love to share what I do on a typical basis. Anyways, until then, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one.